guys, welcome to Dance Fitsugar. I'm your host Sheela Awe, and today you are joining us for a 10-minute empowering dance workout. I got my girl Val.
Hey.
And Madisyn.
Hi.
And today we're tapping into our fierceness, our sassiness, our sexiness. So join us and raise your vibe. Woo! All right, guys, let's get right into it. We're stepping, marching, stepping into our power. Here we go. Point the fingers, add a little groove to it. Hey! Woo! Woo! Really lift those knees, okay? Here we go. We're stepping out, and we're pointing to our feet. We got a pedicure today, yeah.
Oh, I wish.
Here we go. Point, point, point. We're gonna make the moves bigger in 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Drop. Here we go. Bring it back to center each time. Fierce, sassy, sexy. Don't forget it. Woo. Here we go. Slow, move, boom. Bring it back. Swing it front. Bring it back. Nice. And again, slow. Good. Breathe, guys. Yes, let me hear y'all breathe. Double time. Hey. Good job, guys. Starting off strong.
Good.
Woo. Really swing those arms and lift up your leg. Ha. Okay, slow it down. We're gonna wind. Let your hips lead. Okay. Double time. Are you feeling the vibe?
I'm feeling the vibe.
Hey.
Definitely feeling it.
Y'all feeling it?
I'm
Y'all
still feeling
it.
this vibe.
Yeah.
Hey. Add an arm in there. Get funky with it. Really? Make it nice and smooth. Here we go. March. Hey. Here we go. And point. Good job, you guys. Woo! Did I mention you're gonna sweat today?
Already sweating.
Perhaps. Here we go. We're gonna pick it up and make the moves bigger. And woo! Bring it back to center each time. Good. Woo! Next up, we're gonna do our swing arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing. Bring it back. Slow it down, Madisyn.
Goodness.
Get ready. And pick it up now. Woo! And back to the wind. We go wind. Hey, lift those arms up and get real sexy. Woo! Good job, you guys. We're just gonna wind it out until the end of the song.
Let's go.
Woo! Really work them hips. Hey! 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe. All right, guys, we're gonna continue on stepping in our power. We're gonna do some disco moves, some grapevine, starting off with breaking it, break it, break it. We're gonna slide in together. Break it, slide. Keep it slow, guys. Chill. Hey, slide together. Down. Break it. You know that disco move? Then you just go like, woo! Hey! Break it. Again, let's pick it up. More energy, guys. Let me see y'all. If you have the space, use it and slide across. Hey! Woo! And our favorite thing, the grapevine in 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Hey! Together. Take it slow one more time. We're gonna add our hands. Point 3 times. Point. Together. Just point. Pick it up. Here we go. Point. Hey! Ooh. Can we do this to the front? Front. Yeah. And back. Again, to the side. Woo! I'm gonna go back. See what that looks like. Hey! Okay, formation.
A vibe.
Hey! Again, to the side.
Professional.
Stepping in it. Here we go. Hey, next move, you ready? Here we go, slow. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Slow, single, single, double, single. Got confused for a second. Here we go, pick it up. Woo! Hey!
It's a party dance.
Woo. Yes, it is. Hey! Dance with ya, dance with ya. We're gonna break it down now, back to the disco, okay? Here we go. Break it, slide. Break it, slide. Hey! Really slide out. Bend your knees and slide. Just bend your knees, slide. Bend your knees and slide. Grapevine. Woo! Back. Front. Hey. Oh, I love a breakdown. Front. Hey. Again. Hey, front. Who's sweating already?
Me.
Cool, yeah, me too. Hey. All right, guys, step in place. Step it in place. We're gonna go back to our chasse shuffles. Here we go. Single, single, double. Yeah. We're gonna do this to the end of the song.
Yes.
Stay with me. Energy up. Let's go. Hey. Woo. Almost there. And just breathe. Breathe. Step it out. Dance it out. Hey. Yes. Here we go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe. All right, guys, let's have fun with this one, okay? We're gonna take it slow. Scoop it up. Other side. We're gonna bounce and slide and hip dip. Hip dip. Again. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. And bounce, slide, and hip dip. Double time. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Hey! Hey! Scoop! Scoop!
Sassy one.
Hey! Again. Where you at? Where you at? Hey! Slow. Hop and step, 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 step. And step, 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 step. Step, step, step. Have fun with your arms. It's freestyle Friday. Or freestyle any day, really. Ha, 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 ha. Here we go. Again. Hey. All right, guys. Next part. Here we go. We're gonna go. Break it down now. Break it down now. Back. And we're gonna hop to the other side. And hop. Woo. Can we pick this up double time?
Oh, yes, you
Yeah.
can.
Can we have fun with it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Woo! Okay. And hop. Hey. Love it. Again. Hey. Let's go out with a bang. Hey. Back to the scoop, guys. Here we go. Hey. Ha. Scoop. Scoop. Down, slide, dip, dip, scoop. Hey. Wow, this is also pretty strenuous. But we like it like that. Again. From the hops, you guys. Hop. Hop. Step. Arms. Have fun with it. Hey. Hey.
Ooh, I like the circle.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Circle. Circle. Again. We're gonna go out with the band, guys. And we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Woo! And hop. And last one. Hey, I love it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hey. Great job, you guys.
So fun.
Great job. Y'all ready to cool it down?
Oh, yes, I'm sweating.
Yes.
Here we go. We're just gonna breathe. Inhale. Exhale it out. One more time. down. Get that deep stretch in. Ooh, I was about to stay there. And exhale it out. Good job, you guys. Let's lean over and stretch out those arms. Pull it for a deeper stretch. Beautiful. Other side. And pull that stretch. And just let your body hang there for a second. And bring it back up. Whew. And roll out your body, roll out your shoulders. Get that stretch in with your arms. How do you guys feel?
So good.
Oh, my hair.
Such a fun
Sticking
dance
to my
party.
sweat, right?
Oh, yes.
Perfect. Quick little workout. Great job, you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for our 10-minute empowered dance workout. We hope you feel more empowered. Thank you, Val.
Yeah.
Thank you, Madisyn. We'll see you guys on the next Dance Fitsugar episode. I'm your host, Sheela Awe. Hey!